Raiden is waiting, cylinder is ready, but we have the tail that is sitting on the conveyor and it's not going anywhere. See, everything automatic, I guess.